My name is Andrew Ray. I make a show called Binging with Babish where I recreate foods from movies and television. So my show is about bringing food from pop culture to life. Food in pop culture is one of the only ways that we can get a tangible piece of our favorite movie or television show right here where we can actually try it and we can live vicariously through that experience. If you look at my stats, my community says that they're about 80% male, 18 to 35. But you know, if you read the comments and if you interact with people the way that I do, you see people from all different walks of life. And the two things they have in common is that they love food and that they seem to be really nice. One of the most important things that YouTube has done for content creators is that it has democratized the ability to express yourself. The result is an outpouring of creativity that would have never been otherwise possible in past media platforms. And 10 years ago, if you're under 25, you might have watched YouTube as a novelty. Now, if you're under 25, all you watch is YouTube. It's the new way to consume the media of your choice, when you want it, how you want it, what you want. YouTube allows advertisers to do more than just shout at an audience. It provides advertisers with the opportunity to build a relationship, a robust and profound relationship with their audience in a way that they never could before.